The chapter. Yeah. So directly we can start from differentiate. Differentiate between the following based on what is given in the bracket. So means here you have to do the differentiation on the basis of the point which is given in the bracket. Means only that point you have to write. And nuclear region means prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. What type of nuclear region is there? That you have to explain. So raise your hand. Yes, tell me. Hmm. Match the following. Okay, so here you can write. I'll tell you all. You just match it because last time I discussed and you might not what you can say matched it or whatever. So now I'm telling you, just match all. Uh, third A, fourth B, fifth C, second D, first E. Done? Is it done? Yes. Six one. What is one? What I repeat this matching? Listen carefully. Three means the third one is should match with A. Third A, fourth B, fifth C, second D, first E. Done? Okay. Someone is asking something else just now. True, false, which one you want? True, false, which one you want? Sixth part of true. That is true. Mosses and falls do not bear flower. We know that they are non-flowering plants. Yes. Done. So let's. That's true. Yes. Mosses and ferns do not. They do not bear flower. They are non-flowering plants. So here differentiation: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Here you will be writing that what is the region of the nuclear region in the eukaryotic cell and how's the nucleus in the prokaryotic cell. So that you have to explain. Raise your hand. Aksha, yes. You tell me. Aksha, tell me the first differentiate. Hmm? I'm on the differentiation exercise I. That is the differentiate between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. And the point which is written in the bracket, that is nuclear region, means on the basis of nuclear region you have to tell the differences in both the cells. Yes, okay. Yes. Everyone will speak at one time only. Nowadays, and everyone will say like this, that will be very disturbing. So now, Abdullah, Muhammad Abdullah, yes, you tell me. Muhammad Abdullah, yes. Yes, we have to write that prokaryotic cells, they are, there is no in that cell, proper nucleus is not there. That the genetic material is not surrounded by membrane, and is not having nucleolus. It's having only one circular DNA, and in eukaryotic cell, yeah, it's having the well-defined nucleus with the well-defined circular nuclear membrane, that is the genetic material DNA, that is enclosed by the membrane, that is called nuclear membrane, and nucleus is also present, and more than one chromosomes are present in the eukaryotic cells. Now, second one, autotrophic bacteria and saprophytic bacteria definition. Means both the definitions you have to give. Raise your hand. Autotrophic bacteria and saprophytic bacteria. Here, Zoya Imran. Zoya Imran, tell me. Okay. This is Hassan. Hassan, yes, you tell me. Hassan, unmute yourself and tell me. Muhammad Umar, you tell me. Mhm. Hmm. So autotrophic bacteria are the bacteria, those they can make their own food. And saprophytic, they grow on the dead and decaying organic matter. Okay, so this is the definition of both the bacteria. Now move to the third one: binary fission and multiple fission. Here you have to tell difference on the brain produced. Yasir Raza. Yes, Yasir Raza.